All right, Cadillac fans, here's one to take a look at. Wow, and this is a nice one. 2004 Cadillac DeVille, and this thing has to be about as well equipped as you could get a Cadillac DeVille in 2004. This would have the comfort and convenience package, also has the platinum package. We'll get into some of those options here in just a little bit. Now, as far as history of this car, two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Do not see any paint work on this car, any signs that would tell you there's been any done. Now, we always have a open door policy for inspectors, so if you want somebody to come take a look at this, if you cannot, to confirm everything I'm showing and you see in the pictures, feel free to. It's just going to back up what I'm going to show you, tell you about, and what you can see in the pictures. All right, about 18,000 original miles, just over 18,000 again. Clean Carfax, two owners, confirms miles, no accidents, and just take a look at this front fascia. It's not full of rock chips, road rash, anything like that. This is nice. There may be a couple little spots here and there that I'll kind of try to point out as I go around. Very, very, very minute. Now, check out the still pictures. There are over 120 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, just give us a call, 507-386-1726. This car, definitely a value when you consider this car was just shy of $50,000 brand new. There's also a picture of the window sticker in with our still pictures, so you can see the original window sticker of this car. There's literally a folder of receipts of anything that was done to this car. First of all, let's start up front. So we have Vogue tires, chrome Cadillac wheels, chrome fender accents. These wheels, 2019, so they're also only a couple years old. Rubbers, good to go. I would get in this car, turn the key, drive wherever you wanted. No questions asked. Not second guess it for a minute. Black interior with the light platinum exterior. One of these cars that has floor mats on the floor mats. Interior is also like new, as you can see. The cloth top, sometimes you'll hear them coach top. Black cloth, also in great shape. Now, options on this car. Let's run down these a little bit. And this is above and beyond just your typical power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, AC, all of that stuff. This is going to have the memory and personalization package. It's going to have power, driver, and passenger lumbar, as well as the heated and ventilated seats up front, heated steering wheel, and also heated rear seats. XM satellite, sunroof with the express open, chrome wheels, CD changer, trunk convenience package, and like I said, just shy of $50,000 new. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car will come with a cover in the trunk of it. That will be included in the sale price. Now, there was one mentioned as far, and I'm being fussy here, folks. I mentioned as far as a little spot. Now I'm trying to remember where it was. Right there, just a little kind of imperfection, if you will, where that tail light is. Man, I can't remember if there's one other one I seen or not, but again, that is being very fussy. As you can see, a 17-year-old car, 18,000 miles on it. It looks as you would expect, and again, extremely nice shape. Let's take a look at these rear seats. First of all, let's start back here. Rear seats, again, heated rear seats. You also have controls for the temp and the fan down there in the center armrest, and a pass-through that will go into the trunk. And you can see that in the pictures also. And again, rear seats, they're like new. All right, take a look at the front of this. Pull that key a second here. All right, heated, ventilated seats, memory seats, of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, driver's information center, steering wheel controls, and steering wheel controls for radio, climate control, cruise, And think of this is all in 04. Got the 40-20-40 split bench seat up front, power both sides, dual climate control. Again, power sunroof with an express open, headliner, all intact, great shape. All right, let's fire this up. There's your miles, 18,274. All there is a seatbelt light over here. This is because I don't have the seatbelt on. Other than that, no warning indicators, anything like that. Dual climate control, AM, FM, CD in the glove box. There's the valet key, the valet button for valet parking, and of course the CD changer. 6-disc CD changer, manuals, everything else. Take a look at this dash. Not sun-baked, weather checked, cracked, anything like that. Okay, let's slip around back once you hear it run, and we're also going to check out the engine bay. Just look at how everything closes, how everything fits. Quiet, of course, powered by a 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. And again, think of the value of this car, just shy of 50,000 new. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to pause this, pop the hood, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, if you watch my videos, you know I check out that hood liner, how clean it is. This thing has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Does not have the grime that you get from wintertime driving with the dried salt, anything like that. Wow. Yes, and the engine bay just as clean and tidy as the rest of this car. Again, about in as new a shape as I can imagine for a 2004, 18,000 miles. But again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Well maintained, well preserved. Again, folder with the receipts, window sticker, all that can be seen on our website. Over 120 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, you can always call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.